Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, and we have 9 days till Christmas. Also, I am running my Palette of Week giveaway. We are in week 2. This week ends at 11:59 EST on the 18th, which is a Wednesday. So just go to the video that looks like this. Click onto it and watch it and follow the instructions, and you can enter to win. And today we're discussing the January 2020 full spoilers for the Allure Beauty Box. The Allure Beauty Box is $10 for new members, and new members get a bonus item, and it is $15 after that. So I'm going to put up a photo here of the December box for new members. So the December box for other members did have a couple of variations, but if you sign up in the month of December, this is exactly the box that you will get. Here's the December box for the new subscribers, and this was curated by Anastasia Soiree of Anastasia Beverly Hills. So you will be getting 2 full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills products and 1 mini size of an Anastasia product. So the main product here, we have the Moonchild Glow Kit. It's full size, its retail value is $40. And then you will be getting a liquid lipstick. It will either be in Bohemian or in the shade Trust Issues. It's also full size. Its retail value $20. The other Anastasia product will be a clear brow gel, and that is in the mini size. And this box, the Allure box, it's a box where you get some full sizes and some deluxe. But you will also get a full size of First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer, and that's an Allure award-winning product. And then you'll be receiving a Way Texturizing Hairspray in travel size. And then you'll be receiving a Makeup Eraser Mini, appears to be black, and that is, well, I already said mini. It's a mini. So you can sign up with my link in the description box below. And now let's take a look at the January box. It is full spoilers. I am so excited about this. I love when full spoilers come out early. Let's take a look at it. If you sign up in December, then you will receive 2 new member products. One will be the Makeup Eraser Mini that I just showed you, and the other is a free Hot Tools 24K Gold One-Step Blowout Styler. And you'll receive a voucher for that. And this offer is while supplies last, and the shipping and tax is included in the voucher. Frankly, this is the best new member bonus product that I've ever seen them give. This has a total gift value for the 2 items of $87, and quite often the bonus item is a $20 item. Once it was a $40 item. So to get 2 items worth $87 as a new member is the best deal that I've seen in a year. However, if you decide to wait till after January 1st to sign up, then of course you would not get the December box. Your first box would be this one. This is the January box. And in this box, you see in the lower right corner a Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser, full size. And that is the bonus gift for new members in their first box, and that is again if you subscribe in January 1st or afterwards. So let's take a look at what is in this January box, okay, we have up in the upper right corner, we have the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, and that's an exfoliating treatment. And then we have underneath the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara, full size, and this is my favorite Tarte mascara, or the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. And then next to that on the left we see Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. I've used a lot of Philosophy Hope in a Jar. I've never used this water cream. I'm not sure if it's new, but that's definitely a deluxe size. And then right next to that on the left in the red package is a Car Pure Lip Restoration. Looks to be a balm. That is full size. And then let's go down to the left. That is Nature Lab Tokyo, which is a hair product company. This is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist. And that seems to be a deluxe size. And then next to that, the little gold bottle, that is Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum, and that appears to be a deluxe size as well. So yeah, you have two options. You can sign up in December and get the super cool box with the Anastasia Beverly Hills items. And again, your box, either way, your first box will always be $10, and then your box will be $15 after that. Or if you like just this box better for January, then just sign up after January 1st, and your bonus item will be that full-size Caudalie product. And once again, my link to sign up will be in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you would like the video and comment down below what's your favorite item in these two boxes. What do you think about it? If you do like my video, it definitely helps out my channel. It tells YouTube that it's good content, and it encourages YouTube to put me in the algorithm and spread the video all over the place so I can get new viewers and help the channel grow. And be sure to subscribe and check out the giveaway. The giveaway closes in 2 days. So it closes in 2 days, and then we'll be moving on to week 3 palette giveaway. After that, week 4 palette giveaway. We're having a lot of fun here in December. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you at the next one. Bye guys.